Hello everyone, so we are struggling with solving some Cambodia CS Cup Junior problems. Today I want to show you something, how to practice, and on these examples you can solve other problems. So let's go to the beginning. So we already have the account, I guess, so we'll log in with it. And we'll go to our dashboard where we can go to problem solving and pick one task. So our task going to be so let's say solve it once. So I want to pick the solve it once. And it was the birthday cake candles. So success rate is 97, which means it is a very easy task. So by default you will see these things, a lot of punch code. Let's just remove it, Ctrl A, delete. And so we're gonna first read about the task. You are in charge of the cake for a child's birthday. It will have one candle for each year of their total age. You will only be able to blow out the tallest out of the candles. The task is to count how many candles are the tallest. So actually we have to find the maximum value. For instance, 4, 4, 1, 3. Obviously we have two tall candles, which is tallest 4, and the number of it is 2. We can define it by ourselves, but we need to explain to computer how to do that. So let's break this down on several subtasks, and I will break this big video on small sub-videos. So first of all, we need to see the sample input here. The sample input is not that easy because we have first the number and then we have some list of the numbers. So that's why we would better to address to the program where we will use. I will submit this link to the code so you can use it. So actually we need the input 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Okay, so it'll be the same. And the first task is to read this 4. So let's do it, and int. Yeah, so we're doing input and then wrapping with int because we want to convert it to integer. So if we don't do it, you know what will happen, right? So we will print this n to see if it's did it properly. So we'll see 4, which is nice. Now the next task is to read the list of the numbers. So let's say candles is equal to input. So if we'll do that, then we will see the numbers. But let's not be happy before that, because actually this is the list of the numbers. So if we write something like this, then we will see it's a class of string. So actually this is the string, and we cannot work with this as it is. So if we try to convert to int, it will raise an error because we cannot convert the string with the spaces. You see, we have the spaces between them, so it cannot be converted to string integer directly. So what to do this? So we need to convert it to a list. In this case we just do split. If we do split, then it will convert this array to small elements 3, 2, 1, 3, but there will be an int, the strings, small strings. So again, it's not, so we cannot compare them, so we cannot work with them as a numbers. So what we have to do there, we will have to convert them like this. So So we'll have to use the for loop.